Hello, dear Moodlers. This is Reverian who is back. I'm going to show you how we can design a quiz on Moodle. And once you have this page, which is in front of you, you will see a button here for turning editing on. You will click on it in order to activate the edition. You can edit this one, and under here in the center panel, you will see at the bottom, add an activity or resource. You will click on it. You will scroll the left panel where you have the activities and the resources. But now we want the activity, which is the quiz. You will click on it, and you will add the quiz. You will give a name to the quiz. For example, let me give a name. Quiz 1, for example. Quiz 1, for example. And you will describe this quiz, or you will give some instructions. For example, this is you can write, please read carefully the following questions before providing answers or answering, I think. Then, after giving the description, you can set the timing. You can set also the grading. Here, you can limit the number of attempts, and this is for the layout, and so on, and so on, and so on. And after that, even you can restrict. You can give some restrictions, and after that you can save and return to the course. After that, you will see that here at the bottom you have the quiz 1. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you very soon.